Suppose if somebody is about to start a career in sales, what do you suggest for them? What kind of skill set they should start acquiring and learning initially?
Okay. The first thing very important in sales is all about communication, right? And communication is not just English. Communication is all about talking a problem statement or talking clear cut information, or like you tell somebody the information in a very good way, right? Make sure they understand. The second thing is, if somebody wants to start career in sales, very important thing is passion, right? And you cannot just start sales just by like your education, like MBA and all those things. Sales is very ruthless job, because you always face failures, very monotonous. You get a lot of rejections.
Right.
So you have to be like prepared for that. You have to like train in a way that you have to accept rejections every day. Like one day it will be very successful. So all the preparation has to go with like patience, and start like slowly understanding the customer landscape. So first thing is patience, second thing is passion, third thing is acquiring more skills, and you always have to like keep learning, unlearn everything, learn, unlearn everything, learn. You have to have that mindset.